Okay, here's a very quick video on how you can get 120 FPS in Fortnite PS5. What you want to do is go into your PlayStation settings. So just click on the settings, and here you want to scroll down until you see screen and video. Click on screen and video, and then video output. And here where it says 120 Hertz output, you want to click on it and make sure it is set to automatic. Okay, so once you have done this, you need to do one more thing. So just scroll down until you see saved data and game app settings. Click on it, then go into game presets, and here where it says performance mode or resolution mode, you will click on it and then change this to performance mode, and you will get 120 FPS in Fortnite PlayStation 5. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.